Okay, this is the refrigeration cycle. Refrigeration cycle unit experiment. Okay, there will be two experiments. This is number one. Okay, we will run the refrigeration cycle, and we are required to produce pH diagram based on the recorded data. Okay, these are the components. This is the compressor. Okay, compressor. This is condenser, tube and shell and tube, two condensers, heat exchangers. Okay, then this is the evaporator, obviously, and there's the extension valve inside. Okay. So before running experiment, before we turn on the machine, we need to look at there's a lot of valves, the blue ones. We need to adjust those valves to the required setup. Okay. So here, this is the schedule for those valves. Some valves should be open, some valves should be closed. Okay. So let's do it.
The first one is TTV. It should be open. TTV is right here. You see it's open. Second one is TTOV. TTOV should be closed.
We don't have. Around will try to open and close the valve, follow that schedule.
STV is closed. Closed. LV1 is open. LV1 is open. LV2 is closed. ESP on.
Then this is the flow meter. The red one is the flow meter, and this is the flow meter for the water, for the condenser. Okay, this panel shows the temperature. Okay, we can switch this to show different temperature at different locations. So TC1 is the compressor discharge, TC2 is compressor suction, so on and so forth. Okay, every time we switch this, it will show a different temperature here. Okay, pressure gauges. Okay, pressure gauges. This is pressure gauge at the evaporator inlet. Okay, you probably need this pressure value for the pH diagram. Okay, this is in it is the gauge pressure. Okay. This is another pressure gauge you need. This is at the compressor outlet. Okay, also in absolute. Okay, let's turn on the machine and start pushing the button. Okay, now the unit is running. Let's wait for about 20 minutes before it reaches a stable condition. Okay, now let's start the measurement. It's almost stable condition. Okay, first of all, this is the flow rate for the water. It might not be useful for your lab 1. Okay. Okay, let's look at the temperatures. Okay, this one is compressor discharge. It's in Fahrenheit. This is the compressor suction. This is the evaporator outlet. This is our evaporator. Okay, use this instead of the compressor suction. Number 5 is the condenser outlet. Okay, these are the temperatures you needed. Not all of them, maybe only a couple of them you need. Pressure. This is the pressure reading for the evaporator inlet. Again, this is in gauge. And look at the unit, be careful. This is compressor discharge pressure. Okay, it's in absolute value. Okay, that's all you need to do the lab 1 for the refrigeration unit, to produce the pH diagram, as well as to calculate the degree of superheat at the evaporator outlet.